Hi guys, now in this class we will study about charging of capacitor. Okay, so just like that, very simple. There is charging of capacitor. You know that the capacitor is a passive element. So those who are passive that can store electrical potential energy. So because this one is also a passive element, so it will store energy, electrical energy. Okay, so how it store energy in it? We can see here. So simply, just see that there is a capacitor, one capacitor will be there here, alright, and we have to charge. So for charging, you need to add EMF. Suppose it's EMF BV. This one is positive terminal and this one is negative terminal. Alright. But because you have to charge, so simply add a resistor. Alright. So see this resistor having resistance R, capacitance having capacity C, and from here you can see that from here if I currently flowing from here from this EMF, because your EMF is an active element. Okay, so whatever this cell and battery, all these are active element. Alright, so what happening from here, you can see that current is flowing in this direction like that, in this clockwise direction. Okay, that's why charging capacitor, this one is also called CR circuit. So this circuit is also called CR circuit. CR circuit. Why it is called CR circuit? Because in this circuit you are seeing that one capacitor and a resistor will be there. So this one is the combination of capacitor and resistor. That's why it is called CR circuit. Okay. Alright. So now from here you see that at time t is equal to 0, your capacitor having no any charge in there. But right now, as well as time spans, due to the flow of current and according to charge be flowing through the circuit, so your capacitor just is going to be charged. Okay. So just use, we have studied before capacitor's law. So either use capacitor law or Kirchhoff's law. Second law video you have to apply here. So now in this circuit you are going from left to right in clockwise direction, and you are seeing that you are entering in this EMF from lower potential to higher potential. So it would be taken as negative, so minus V be there. Now in capacitor, because this plate is connected with the positive terminal of the EMF, so it will be positive, and this one is negative. So again you are entering from higher to lower, higher to lower in this capacitor. So that will be positive, and suppose Q charge be deposited in the plates of capacitor. So how much be potential be there? So that would be Q by C. Alright. Okay. Now again you are entering in this resistor. I current will be flowing through this resistor. So resistor, this one having characteristics to oppose the flow of current, that is flow of charge. That means so accordingly you are going in this resistor in the direction of current, so that would be also positive, and that is how much with the potential drop in this resistor, that would be IR, and this is equal to 0 according to second law of Kirchhoff's. Okay, alright. Then you just change something here, just like V positive, Q by C positive. I will be changed. I is, this one is dQ by dt, and this one is R. Okay, so now from here in next state we just take dQ by dt, R will be there, and then this one is on right side, so V minus Q by C. Accordingly just some changes be there, just like we have to take this one here and this one is here, so that would be dQ by, this one is V minus Q by C, and dt be there, so dt by R, like that. So this is came on same, where you can integrate, so in the format of integration. So just write down that integrating both sides with proper limits. Okay, so limit we will consider. So this one is like dq by v minus q by c integration of, and there is dt by r and integration of this one also. Okay, so this one is because charge is going to be integrated, so that would be if is there it is not connected with the terminal of the EMF, so there is zero charge deposited on the plates of the capacitor. So there is zero charge, so starting from 0. Right now if it becomes full charge after time t, okay, so how much be the full charge? So you just let it be full charge be just q, just assume to be q. Accordingly time be 0 to t, you have to take here 0 to t, this one is your time, alright. Yeah, now you just integrate this one. So this one is the format of just like dx by x. So dx by x and its integration, that would be how much? Log x. If it is natural, so natural log can also be written as ln x. So this one is completely natural, so I am just going to be write ln x. So x in the place, how much be there? X in the place you have v minus q by c. So here you just write down v minus q by c, and because this one is this q having how many power? Power 1, so a constant be there. This q is divided by 1 by c, so this one is divided by 1 by c with minus negative sign. And now again under limit, so your limit be 0 to q. Now again here r is constant, you just take it outside. Integration of dt dt under limit 0 to t. Okay, now from here after the application of limit, here you just take this one on right side. So after just taking this one on right side, you will get first you just take it here, you just put it q in the place of q, so q be there minus 0, that is upper limit minus lower limit you have to take. Okay, so you just take ln upper limit be q, so there is no change, v minus q by c be there. So upper limit minus lower limit, whenever you will put here 0 in place of q, so this factor will be 0, so ln v. So this one is ln v. Okay, alright. Yeah. Now the denominator part you have to multiply here. So there is minus 1 by CR. See, this one is CR, and that is called CR circuit. Alright. And this is called time constant also. Now, whenever you will put this one, limit of t minus 0 to t. So this one is t. T be there. Okay. Yeah. Now again, this is also in a form based on this formula that ln a minus ln b is equal to ln a by b. So just simply you write down that this one is just like ln v minus q by c divided by v, and that is equal to minus t by cr is also written as tau c. Okay, tau c. So tau is just written like that. So there is a tau c, where tau c is a constant because cr is a constant, and this constant is called time constant. That means this is also a time. So just write down somewhere, like here I'm just going to write that tau c. So tau c is a constant. This is called time constant. So this one is called time constant. So time constant, that means time. Alright. The unit of time constant is equal to the unit of time. So this is also a time. Okay. So you just keep in mind this one. Okay. Now from here, what you are saying, we have to just change. We have to remove this one. So wherever you want to remove this ln, so what happens? That v minus, just resolve this one also. Just divide. So 1 minus q by c v, and I just want to remove this ln. So this one e to the power minus t by tau c, like that. Okay, and you know that q by cv. So you just replace this q from here, q by cv, and this one is equal to 1 minus, we have taken just here, and this one is in this side. So 1 minus e to the power just minus t by tau c. Alright, and just multiply this one here. So your q will be cv 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau c. Okay, you know cv, q is equal to cv. I'm just writing here that q is equal to cv. So this cv is maximum, so this charge will be also maximum, and this maximum charge will be represented by q naught. So you just keep in mind this q naught is equal to cv. Okay, that is the maximum value of charge. Therefore this q is equal to q naught 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau c. So from here you see that after charging you will get this much amount of charge be stored on the plate of capacitor. Okay, see, this one is maximum charge. So maximum charge that is stored on the plates of the capacitor after a very long time, that is infinite time. Your capacitor, that will take infinite time to store the maximum charge q naught. But yeah, according to this equation, that 1 minus e to the power minus t by tau c, this one is your exponential equation. So according to graph, we can conclude that how much be the charge that is stored in a finite time, that is at time t, that we can calculate. So now for this we can use a graph. First of all, you note down that after charging you will get this much charge on the plates of the capacitor. Okay, so this is your result. This one is your result. You just keep in mind this result, and now we will take a graph. Alright, so see the graph between, see here in this graph. So the graph between Q0 versus T. So now here we can see the graph. It will be decreasing at time spans. So you will get the maximum value is Q0. So less than the maximum value. But how much with the less time? How much with the less value you will get here? How you can calculate? Because this one is time and this one is time. So for calculation, you see I am doing here. You see how much be there? That this one is Q. Q not be there, and 1 minus, because 1 by e to the power t by tau c. So actually both are time, so that will be cancelled. So how much you will get from here? This one is Q naught, 1 minus 1 by e be there. Just put the value of e. So from here you will get Q naught 1 minus, now the magnitude of E, that is 2.71. 2.71. This one is 2.71, and after doing calculation from here, you will get the Q is equal to Q naught times 0.6. You will get this much. That means you will get only 32.2% of the max value. That is, this one is Q is how much? This Q is how much? This Q is 63.2%. 63.2% of Q naught. Only this much you will get. That means now just this one is your time. What you are saying, that your only 63.2% will be the maximum charge that is stored after spans of time t. Okay, so when it is connected to the positive terminal, so before connection, the charge is stored on the capacitor, that is completely zero. So it is, and as well as time spans, that will be charged up to 63.2%. So like that, and we will go to infinite. You see here that it's going to infinite. So it will take charge, because this one is a maximum charge, that is Q naught. Okay, up to infinite. So you're getting how much the charge? You're getting this much at time t. So at this time t, you're getting here how much with the charge? This one is 63.2%. 63.